very natural tonight for us to introduce Mr. Hong to a new audience, decades after his last major survey exhibition.
Mr. Hon is indeed a very versatile artist and a master that has a lot of followings in Hong Kong. With his students, followings, curators, peer artists, all looking to him for his leadership, for his innovation.
One of the most visible and arguably most important artists in Hong Kong in 1960s and 70s.
韓志勳不在乎什麼民族性、現代性的抉擇，什麼西洋技法或水墨之間的衝突，他沒有這種傳統的包袱，他要畫的是他心胸的宇宙，半世紀的自我成畫，他是值得驕傲的。
佢係更加想將佢自己一啲幻想性嘅嘢，或者係一啲嘅想同埋嗰個思考同埋咧一啲即係緬懷過去即係結合啊咁樣。咁所以咧係佢喺七幾八幾嘅時候嘅創作咧，如果慢慢睇咧，係會睇到多好多背後或者雙重嘅意義喺度。
Hon Chi-fun's artworks are like a story of light being told to your eyes.
A very special welcome to you all. We are honored to celebrate the first installation of the work of the world-known, renowned artist James Turrell in the Hong Kong institution. Yukaloo is a wonderful example of Turrell's perpetual art, and I hope that you will take time to immerse yourself in this atmospheric work and enjoy the new experience. My late husband, J.K. Lee, playful and intellectual, would have loved this moment. Thank you so much.